So a lot of people contact me asking the very same question. There are two tracks in immigration law. There are non-immigrant visas and immigrant visas. On the non-immigrant visa track, typically someone who is either in the US and a student may wish to continue working after they finish their optional practical training, OPT. Or people from out of the country that get a job offer. For non-immigrant visas, there are typically H-1B visas, which are annually. There is a lottery, so there's no guarantee once you apply that you will get it. Those are visas that need to be petitioned by your employer, and you have to have matching qualifications to satisfy the Department of Labor that your skills, your education meet the job offered. There are also requirements in relation to other U.S. workers within the geographic area. In addition to the H-1B visas, for people that can show that they have extraordinary ability, being that top % within their designated field. And your field can be narrowed so that you have less people to compete with. O-1 visas are excellent kinds of visas if you can meet the criteria of showing sustained acclaim within your field. They are good for people in business, arts, sciences, education, athletics. Another type of temporary or non-immigrant visas, meaning these are the ones that don't lead to a green card or not lead to a green card directly, are the E1 and E2 visas. Those are treaty trader visas and investment visas, E2, as long as your country participates with the US. And lastly, I also do visas for individuals who meet L1 status. If they were a manager, and there's many criteria that are required to be met, but if they were a manager or an executive in a foreign company and want to come and work in either an affiliate or subsidiary company in the US. And again, those criteria are pretty specific, but we do those as well. On the immigrant visa side, a very great new opportunity, a relatively new opportunity, is the EB-2 National Interest Waiver. This has recently been opened up by a court case called Danasar a couple of years ago, where it is now allowing a larger amount of people to apply for this. If you get approved for this, this will allow you to apply to become a green card holder, a legal permanent resident. This can be also students. You do not need to reach the high level of extraordinary ability, but only need to show that you are an individual of exceptional ability. You also need to have an endeavor, what it is that you're wanting to do in the United States, that needs to be in the national interest. So it needs to help the US in some way more than just yourself and your immediate clients. And again, we do very many of those. There are also other work visas that allow you on the immigration track, like EB-1, as I said, EB-2, regular EB-2s, EB-3s, and investor visas for EB-5s. All of them, upon approval and upon adjusting your status, will allow you to work in the US.